Let's practice ARDHA Hanuman Asana today. Start by being in Adho Mukh Swan Asana. Now get your right leg in front. Low lunging position, Anjaneya Asana. Tuck the toes of the back foot. Place your hands or fingertips on the ground. Ideally, the arms are perpendicular to the floor. On an exhale, start to shift your pelvis backwards in direction of your back heel until the front leg is straight. Exhale and fold forward over your front leg. To deepen the pose, bring the front leg back into the internal rotation and push the hip bone further back. Repeat 10 steps until you feel you have reached your maximum stretch. You can also keep a slight bend in the front leg to avoid locking the knee and overstretching the hamstring. To get out of ARDHA Hanuman Asana, press the hands into the mat and slowly drag the front heel back towards you. It stretches the hamstrings, quads, groins and hip flexors, strengthens the core muscles, prevents the lower body injury. It lengthens the spine and massages your abdominal area, which can help improve digestion. This strengthens the abdominal muscles. ARDHA Hanuman Asana is great for hamstring stretch. It also improves the mobility of your hips and pelvis. Walking with your breath to deepen your pose trains your focus and concentration and will also calm the mind. Avoid doing Hanuman Asana if you are suffering from hamstring injury. It would be best if you were careful while bending your knees, as it may cause injury to the tendons and ligaments of the knees. Keep the movement slow. Keep practicing yoga every day.